Silver braids, powdered cheeks, around the clock in flowery prints, trinkets from her treasure chest. One by one, she'd let me collect. Real stories from the family tree, never without her rosary. She had a prayer for every occasion, remedies passed down from a past generation. Tending to the roses even after they've grown, tenderest heart I've ever known. The voice that wakes the house at dawn, she found her wings and said so long. The rock we built our faith upon, like clockwork, her love will go on.